Good day, sir, madam. I'm Imelda Rivera Marcos, 38 years old. I'm single and high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait. My duties and responsibility is to clean the house, mopping, vacuum, ironing, and cleaning, washing the clothes, cooking, and taking care of the children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Imelda. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Being honest, loyal, responsible, and hardworking.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Giving food, the right nutrition and food, vitamins, taking a bath, and loving and treat them as my own niece and nephew.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
I will say sorry and I promise not to do it again.
Any message or promise to your employer?
Please do hire me, sir and madam, and I promise to do my duties and responsibility and to finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Imelda, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir and madam.